Are you looking for information about Zach Crawford's secret affiliate marketing hacks? Then this video is for you. Hold on a minute. The title of this video is Top Earner Transformation. That is because Zach changed the name last year from Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks to Top Earner Transformation. And there are more changes that are coming up. This is why I'm making this video for you today. Last year, I made two videos about secret affiliate marketing hacks, this one and this one. Now in 2020, Zach Crawford changed his program, called it Top Earner Transformation, and made quite a few improvements to the course. However, my reviews of the course were pretty accurate at the time, and if you're curious about learning more, feel free to check these videos out. Now, the reason why I'm making this video super quickly today is to tell you that if you are on the fence about joining Zach Crawford's course, then now is a good time to check it out. And if you do want to check it out, you can click the link below this video, join his free Facebook group without even giving me your email address, and then you will get all the updates. Now, quick reminder, Zach Crawford's program is a course that teaches you specifically how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, recently, Zach Crawford decided to make big changes to his program and take it to a whole new level. Now, I can't really tell you what these changes are going to be, mostly because I don't know that much yet. It is Zach Crawford's course after all. But the reason why I wanted to make this video quickly was to say, if you have been looking into this program and hesitating about whether to join or not, now is really a good time to join Zach's free Facebook group, where you will get some free training and you will get a good idea of his style. You will also get all the updates and all the information about the upcoming changes, and you'll be able to make an informed decision really on whether you want to join this program or not. If you have any specific questions about Zach Crawford's program or about affiliate marketing in general, don't hesitate to post them in a comment below this video. And you can also check out my Make Money Online playlist and my product reviews playlist. If you do want to join Zach Crawford's Facebook group, it's free. You don't even have to give me your email address to join it. There is quite a lot of free training in the group. Just click the link below this video and you'll be in no time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.